Hey guys, welcome to Anna's Tech Videos. So today we'll be giving away this I100 earbuds to one lucky winner. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you get a notification each time we upload a video. So let's go ahead and get started. So we did a review of these on our channel before. I'll leave a link to that review in the I button and in the description below. And we gave away one pair at that time, got another one in the mail. So wanted to give this one to one more lucky winner. Enter to win these. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and leave a comment. Follow us on Instagram, like the post, and tag 3 friends in the comment section. You'll find the link to our YouTube channel in the Instagram bio, and you'll find the link to our Instagram page in the description below on YouTube. We'll be picking one lucky winner on January 2nd, 2021. Make sure you do all the things that I told you in this video, and we'll be announcing the winner on our Instagram page. Good luck, and thanks a lot for watching.